Good afternoon on Saturday. Not sure, like this is totally spur of the moment. I was just getting ready. I'm getting ready for a client and just about done. Finished my makeup, just kind of a, like an everyday look today. And I was going to mix my LipSense today. And I thought, I hadn't really done a live about this. So let me fix my hair. It's bugging me. It makes me feel like I'm bald. There. How's that? Crazy long. I wish that I curled it today. Anyway, so I can't leave well enough alone. I love mixing colors. I love mixing my shadows, my blushes, even my foundation for a custom look. So hopefully you can see this well. So we can layer our LipSense, in any order. Any 2 LipSense and you get, oh my gosh, 8 different colors, I think. Anyway, but instead of layering, it's kind of fun to pre-mix it because you almost get a different look. It's more better, right? More better. That's a word. I'm calling it a word. So we want to shake up our LipSense really, 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 really good. I swear my arms are getting more in shape since wearing LipSense. God, I look, looks better in real life, but on camera. Okay, so I'm going to use Be Ruby and Goddess. Sorry, it's backwards, but you get the idea. I love Be Ruby. It's gorgeous. I posted a picture. Let's see, maybe you can see it better on the white. Here, how about like that? Is that better? Anyway, 2 of my favorite colors. But let's face it, what's not my favorite color? All right, so the things that you need, obviously, your LipSense. I use just a little piece of wax paper. I've also used, let me find this other thing. I have some of these too. These are little tattoo artist rings. And the idea, it's got like a little bowl and you can, put your stuff in there. But I thought, most of you aren't going to have these at home unless you're a tattoo artist, right? Or you have a tattoo artist that will give you some. Or I can send you some if you want. But just for ease, most people can get a hold of wax paper very easily, if not in their kitchen, in the grocery store. And then you'll need an applicator, a disposable applicator. You can get these on Amazon for cheap. You can also get them from me for cheap, probably free if you just ask. I can send you a couple. So these 2 things, and here, let me see if I can do this, and then you can actually see what I'm doing. Let's see. Yeah, you kind of can. Yeah. So it doesn't really matter which one you do. And you know how we always wipe off our applicators before we put it on our lips? This time we don't have to. So I usually just kind of smoosh it on the little wax paper. Like so. Sometimes, depends on how much it looks like it's coming out, I just guess. So that was 3. Let's do 4, just for good measure. All right. And then we'll take this. And of course, you don't want to smush the next color in with the first color. You want to really put it next to it, because otherwise you will contaminate this one with a color that you don't want to stay in there. Some of them you'll notice kind of come out a little bit, I don't know, easier. So that looks about equal parts. You don't have to do equal parts, it's whatever you want. Then you can take your little applicator here and just kind of smear them all together. Like so. I've already wiped off and dried my lips, so we're good. So let's see what this looks like. I've never mixed this together before. I kind of like it. It's pretty. I think I'm gonna have to mix some more. Ooh, that's really pretty. Let's move this out here. Yeah, I have to mix some more. So you don't want to touch your lips together, right? Let them dry really good. That's really good. Okay. Ooh, I like this color. Ooh. There we go. Okay. What do you think? I like it. I don't know how good the lighting is in here. Let's do it a little bit more. It's really important to get it on your waterline. That's what I'm doing right now. Oh, crazy. Okay, that's good. Now, gloss. What did I do with my gloss? I don't know what. Let's use matte gloss today. And then I'll gloss it up. Gosh, my hair looks gross. I am so sloppy with my gloss. No color transfer. For those of you who have not tried LipSense, oh my gosh, my hair. It's gonna drive me nuts today. I just washed it yesterday, and it doesn't even look like I did. So, let's see. I like it. Kind of matches my whole face. Anyway, hope you guys are having a good Saturday. I got a busy afternoon, and then tomorrow's Super Bowl. Don't really care for either team that's playing, but because I don't like the Patriots, they're not getting my vote. How about you? You like the Patriots or the Eagles or neither? I don't have any earrings on. That's probably why I feel a little bit naked. Anyway, this was just spur of the moment, unplanned live, so sorry if I'm just kind of rambling. That's what you get. Like I used to tell my son, that's what you get. Don't throw a fit. What's in my hair? Oh, nothing. Oh my gosh, I have a gray hair. Right there. Time for a color. Gosh, my camera angle's like making my face look all weird. I should have the camera up here. There we go. Anyway, if you have any questions or want to mix your own, and you got LipSense, you know, more than one color, let me know, and I will be happy to send you one of these or two of these, whatever. You can wash them out with alcohol or really anything, because the LipSense bonds to our lip and our skin, but it doesn't bond to other things. So, yeah, I'd be happy to send you one of these and a couple of wands, and you can try your hand at mixing. It's really kind of fun, and it doesn't take that long once you get used to it. Anyway, have a happy Saturday. Bye.